We've played the magic flute, the magic trumpet, the magic harp. What's the one magic instrument we haven't played yet? The magic triangle. Yeah. It's your turn now, little triangle. Let's see what you can do. I need you to help me play the magic triangle. Hold your triangle up with one hand and ding the triangle with your striker, like this. What did the triangle turn into?
Chalk! Slideshow! Chocolate boy star! Chocolate boy's mom! Chocolate boy's mom! Ah, get him out of here! Alright!
Not dead!
Chocolate boy's sister, you there? Chocolate boy's baby!
Oh, it leaks in here. Oh, like wearing a hat made out of feet.
Chocolate boy's kids, no! Ah! Hi. Chocolate boy star.
All right.
Chocolate boy's teacher, you there?
Okay. Whew. Oh, that's peculiar.
I got Chocolate boy's uncle. Where after the? No. Chocolate boy's itch. Oh! Ah! Chocolate boy's back out. Oops! Hey, bye. Chocolate boy's papa, are you there?
All right, I'm going to hand things over to Chet now, who has some important new policies to
Chocolate boy's grandma. Happy Louise.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm happy to
Policy, but after today. Road.
Okay, I would like to begin with some very exciting
Sister!
news. Latest figures are in. Accidental smushes were down.
No, Chocolate boy, stop! Chocolate boy's coach! Wine's parents! Oreo team. Poor my kids. No attention to ignorant orders. Mr. Honey. Grandpa, you.